The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Hey, what's up mga kabrad? So today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. So let's get to it. We're gonna go straight to the point reviewing the item. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 is probably one of the most affordable quality tablet in the market. It has a thickness of 7mm and weighs about 477 grams. Its width is 10.4 inches and has a resolution display of 2000 by 1200. The A7 is an internal memory of either 32GB or 64GB, RAM of 3GB, and micro SD card slot that can hold up to 1TB. Its processor is octa-core, has a battery life of 7040 mAh, the fuck, and software already updated to Android 10. One of the best features about the A7 is that it has a quad speaker that is supported by Dolby Atmos. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 costs 16,990 Philippine peso or $350 US. Now let's do some testing. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please do hit subscribe so that we can make more videos like this one.